Most people hear about Forex, but they don't know how it works. So, in this video, I'm going to be explaining everything you need to know about Forex. First of all, we are going to look at what is Forex, examples of Forex, and how traders make profit from the market and how the market runs 247. And the last one is going to shock you. So, stay tuned to the end. Now, what is Forex trading? Forex trading is simply buying and selling of foreign currencies. The Forex market is the largest decentralized financial market in the world and it runs 24 hours a day. So, Forex in simple terms is just the act of buying and selling foreign currencies, exchanging different currencies with other currencies. Currencies are basically traded in pairs. That's why if you are selling a particular currency, you must be buying another currency at the same time. That's why they are in pairs. For instance, in this example now we have Great Britain pound, that's GBP, and USD, United States dollar. So we are actually selling United States dollar to buy Great Britain pound, and the dollar, the currency we are selling is the quote currency, and the currency we are buying is the base currency. That's how we put it in Forex. If the currency you buy rises in value, then you make a profit. And if that particular currency you buy drops in value, then that's a loss. Remember, guys, I said if you buy a particular currency and if its value drops, that means you will be losing, and if its value rises, you will be making profit. That is when the term going short and going long comes in. Going long means you are buying a particular currency pair expecting its value to rise, while going short means buying a particular currency pair and expecting its value to fall. The good thing is you can make money either if the value of that currency is falling or rising. That's just it in Forex. It's a very good thing. You understand all this time as time goes on. That's why you need to subscribe to our channel and watch more of our videos. And also we have a blog that we post about Forex, educating people about Forex for free. So you can check that in our description link. So the forex market runs 24 hours a day. That is 5 times a day from Monday to Friday. It's only closing down during the weekend. Although we have different sessions, we have the New York session, the Tokyo session, the London sessions. But for now, let's just stick to the basics, which is the forex market is open 5 times a week. Here is the truth about forex trading. Forex is not a get rich quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, consistency, risk management, and most especially the right knowledge. You cannot just come to the forex industry with unrealistic goals. You have to set a target, know what you are doing in the forex industry before you fund your account. So that's just it. Forex is a risky business, but it's also worth it because the reward of forex is huge. Yeah. Yes, it is true that you make a lot of money. You can even flip $10 to $10,000 within 2 hours. It's possible in forex, but at the same time, it's also risky. You can also lose that huge amount of money in a short period of time, even in 2 minutes. So you have to know the right thing and know what you are doing first. If you want to learn Forex step by step, you are in the right space. Just subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like, share, and comment.